Okay guys, dumating na rin ang ating Xiaomi 12T Pro just a few hours before the actual launch. So, today gagawin natin just a very quick unboxing and first impression ko dito sa bagong phone ni Xiaomi. And of course, let's get the ball rolling and nakaseal pa tong unit. So hi guys, ako si Richmond ng Gadget Psychic and welcome back to my channel. And hawak natin right now is the all-new Xiaomi 12T Pro. And this one is of course being just released ni Xiaomi just today. Of course, you're watching this one live just after the actual launch ng global for Xiaomi. And I believe that this phone is pretty much a first for Xiaomi. 200 MP ang kanyang main camera sensor and it's sabi niya ultimate camera. And I want to try kung gaano ka-okay siya, but of course, that will be reserved more on the full review natin nitong phone na ito. So, since sealed pa naman siya, balatan muna natin. And by the way, guys, I have here is the black version, 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gig of storage. Tara, buksan natin. Maganda ang aking cutter today. It's color gold. Saktong-sakto para sa unboxing ng bagong phones. And by the way, itong cutter ko, nabili ko to sa Xiaomi Yopin. And it's called a Fizz cutter. Part din siya ng Xiaomi ecosystem. So, natuwa lang ako. Nakita ko kasi gold. Kaya ako napabili. And sobrang talas siya, guys. Ayan. Ligpit natin. Para hindi tayo may-aksidente. Buksan ko lang tong phone na ito. So, isa-set up natin to, no? Papakita ko sa inyo step by step how to set up your Xiaomi 12T Pro properly or just simply any Xiaomi phone running the MIUI 13 system. So, the usual, meron siyang sleeve dito sa loob. Tingnan natin kung ano meron, no? And it's designed by Xiaomi. SIM ejector tool nandito. We have your user guide and warranty cards. And of course, ang jelly case na transparent. Medyo more of a translucent dahil hindi siya sobrang clear. So, tatry natin isalpak sa phone later. But not really too much of a effect kasi black yung phone. So, pansin ko medyo iniba ni Xiaomi this time ang kanyang sticker. Normally, it's a translucent na sticker na may mga prints. This time, color orange na siya. Normally, makikita natin sa mga Xiaomi phones na ina-unbox natin, it's more of yung pinipeel off mo from the sides. Madalang ang mga flagship na kailangan mong tanggalin from a plastic like this. Normally, pag ganito, makita mo on yung more budget level, like mga Redmi, but kay Xiaomi, parang madalang ko lang makita. Nakita natin, this is the camera module. Medyo all new siya, no? Kakaibang bagong design niya. And, well, a little bit more of striking similarity pa rin sa Xiaomi 12 series, but medyo may sarili siyang distinct na design. And same siya sa Xiaomi 12 series. Ang kanyang likod is matte finish, power button on the sides, and volume rocker. Loudspeaker sa ibabaw, and of course, IR blaster plus noise cancelling mic din dito. And it's being powered by Harman Kardon. Sa ilalim, meron siyang loudspeaker ulit, so stereo speaker siya. Microphone in, Type-C port, and of course, ang kanyang SIM tray. Quickly, sundutin lang natin siya. So, kita natin, this is the SIM 1 and this is the SIM 2. So, there's no room for expansion ng micro SD. So, well, basically, it's two 5G SIM na nano SIM na kaya na dito. Sa likod, definitely, it's the 200 MP na main camera sensor. Further inside the box, Type A to Type C na charging cable. And a 120 watts na fast charging brick. First time, no, nakakita tayo ng very bold print na 120 watts. Normally, hindi siya nakaprint. And wala siyang Type-C to audio jack na dongle nakasama. So, mabilis siya mag-boot up. Kita natin, nakapasok na agad siya sa MIUI 13. So, next lang tayo. Go, select ka lang ng English or whatever language you like. Philippines, definitely. So, use Gboard. So, accept mo lang to. Then, skip mo lang kasi wala naman akong nilagayng SIM card but pwede kang mag-activate ng eSIM. Malalaman natin to more on sa full review. Then, connect ka muna sa iyong Wi-Fi. Pag connected na, just press next. Lang naman siya kung meron mga updates, any update lang muna niya before proceeding. So, pwede nyo i-set up or hindi. Depende sa inyo. Ako, normally, sineset up ko siya as a new phone. But kung kayo, meron kayong lumang phone, pwede na naman i-port over. Just copy the files from your old Android phone. It's very easy. So, log in your Google account. So you can set up yung lock screen, fingerprint scanner, but I'll do that maybe a little bit later. Skip. So you can set up your Google Assistant dito. So para ma-recognize na yung voice mo. And of course, some unlocking assistant. So you can change your wallpaper, change the font size, or just simply add another email account. Depende kung kailangan niyo. Okay, so this one, just simply press next. Accept mo lang cookies. And ako, I want the classic look. And basically, you're ready. So by far, mabilis naman siya mag-load dahil Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 ng chipset ito sa loob ng phone na ito. And pretty much very smooth siya. And meron siya mga kunting bloatwares dito na, well, basically if you want to remove it, pwede mo siya itanggalin. So nakita natin na this one has a 12 gigs of RAM plus 3 gigs of RAM na extension. So it's also running inside Android 12. So this is the latest. Then, as well as it's also running MIUI 13.0.1 na stable ROM. Quickly, tingnan na natin ang device hardware info. So, kita natin is si Xiaomi 12T Pro running inside Android 12. And of course, some of the other things na gusto natin malaman, I think malalaman natin dito, it's using a LPDDR5 na 12 gigs of RAM. UFS ang kanyang drive. So, not sure kung anong klaseng UFS or nakasulat. And it's a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. I believe that it's a 8 Plus na, hindi siya 8 Gen 1. So, some of the other things na, well, important sa atin, screen size niya is 6.67 inch. And it also has a 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. Then, Dolby Vision, HDR10, HDR10 Plus ang kanyang support. This is the RAM, 12 gigs of RAM na LPDDR5 dahil meron siya pang additional na 3, so magiging 15 gigs of RAM na siya. So battery niya is a 5,000 mAh of battery, supporting up to 120 watts of fast charging. Now, what I can say about this phone, first of all, is okay siya. Magandang feel niya. And I love the way it is. Halos hindi siya nagkakalayo sa Xiaomi 12 Pro. Si Xiaomi 12 is a little bit smaller, si 12 Pro is a little bit bigger. And smooth ang mga transition niya, sliding left and right. And, well, let's just quickly watch a quick video dito. Tingnan natin kung okay din ba siya. So after quickly watching yung teaser trailer na itong video na ito, I can say ang lakas ng sound niya. I was surprised na yung sound niya is parang a little bit better than the Xiaomi 12 Pro that I'm using. And the screen resolution is definitely nice. I love it dahil sobra siyang punchy. And I love the color reproduction itong phone na ito. So right now, malalaman naman natin ito more on sa aking full review. And right now, talikutin lang natin ang camera for the first time. So meron siyang motion tracking focus and smart suggestion na kaya pwede nyo i-turn on or turn off, depende sa inyo. Ang pwede na i-shoot is up to 8K, 24 FPS, or pwede natin ibaba ng konti sa 4K, 60 FPS, kayang-kaya. Now, sa front camera, tingnan natin ang kanyang capability. It can shoot as high as 1080p, 60 FPS. Now, to be able to take in a 200MP na photo, just simply click itong Ultra HD. Then, click nyo lang itong sa taas, 200MP. So, right now, mag-shoot na siya on a 200MP mode. So, tingnan lang natin. Let's just take one shot. Yun. Mabilis naman siya mag-snap. So, tingnan natin kung gaano kalayo ang zoom na kaya nitong, So, wow. Sobrang klarong-klaro ang kanyang details, no? So, this is how it feels like shooting a 200MP na photo. So, sobrang detailed yung picture to the point na, well, kita mo pati yung mga imperfection nitong itong figurine ni Goku dito sa harapan ko. And pati yung mga kunting hairline scratches kitang-kita dito sa photo na ito. And I'm amazed on what it can do. And of course, I do encourage you to subscribe to my channel to stay tuned to my full review nitong Xiaomi 12T Pro. And it will be coming out sa Philippines pretty soon as well. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, Click that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watcha!